Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 32. It is from chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to calculate the approximate number of atoms in a bacterium. We can assume that the average mass of an atom in the bacterium is 10 times the mass of a hydrogen atom. They give us a hint that the mass of a hydrogen atom is on the order of 10 to the minus 27 kilograms, and the mass of a bacterium is on the order of 10 to the minus 15 kilograms. Okay, so the number of atoms will be equal to the mass of the bacterium divided by the mass of one atom in the bacterium. Okay, so this is going to be the mass of the bacterium divided by, and they tell us the mass of one atom in the bacterium is about 10 times the mass of hydrogen. So we will have 10 times the mass of the hydrogen atom. Okay, and they told us that the mass of the bacterium is on the order of 10 to the minus 15 kilograms. Then we have 10 times the mass of the hydrogen atom, which they told us is on the order of 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. And so this is 10 to the minus 15 over 10 to the minus 26. Note that 10 times 10 to the minus 27, we have a power of 1. So this is 1 minus 27 for 10 to the minus 26. When we're multiplying two numbers that have the same base, we add their exponents. Okay. And so now this is 10 to the minus 15 times 10 to the plus 26. When an exponent changes from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, its sign flips. And so this gives us about 10 to the 11. And so we can say, so there are approximately 10 to the 11 atoms in a bacterium. And that was what we needed to find. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.